Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code 62. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then type control panel, click on it. Now click system and security and then Windows Defender firewall, and now click turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Turn off those two options and click OK, and after you finish playing come back here and turn it on, don't forget that, and then close it, and after that type here services, scroll down until you find the service that starts with V, and here we'll find VGC. First click on it and click properties. Now make it automatic and then make sure it's running, and if you can't click start, just click on it and then click apply and OK, and click restart here. Now just wait, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.